Hey, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use mangools for keyword research. So here is a lots of option: keywords finder, search result page checker, and watcher, link winner, site profile, and etc. etc. So after watching this video, you are able to do all things. And keep in mind, here are absolutely free for join. So this link I will attach my video description. You need to go my video description here, then click on the link, then you are redirected to this website. You need to log in here with your Gmail. This is enough for first step. So I am going to keyword finder. This is button SEO tools and keyword finder. So here is a type your targeted keyword. So I write pizza. It's my primary keyword. So if you want to select specific location, and so I want to select United States. You can select any other country as you wish. So select your language. So I want to use English. Here are the lots of language available. You can choose any others. This doesn't matter. Just click on keyword finder, find keywords, then wait few seconds for processing. Wow, you can see this is a dashboard pizza, and this is search volume. Here's a lots of option. You can filter your keyword. So this is trends button. If you click on the up button, just click on up, then you can see this is trends pizza base price. These keyword are 1.5k % trends. Here if you type here, this is charge volume, and CPC, that's mean cost per click. Then this means PPC, pay per click. This is KD, means keyword difficulty. Here are lots of options. Just click on filter, then choose your targeted volume. I need 10,000 plus, then CPC not included, excluded, number of words. Just click on set filter. Just click on KD. This is low keyword difficulty keywords. So if you use this keyword, you can see this is 40% trends and keyword difficulty nil. If you use this name for write a blog or article, you can rank on Google easily. So if I click on pizza, open mountain pizza, so I just click on pizza. Okay, once you have done, to click on here, you can see this is keyword difficulty are 18, then search volume are 1.2 millions. Then this is search result page. So analyze search result page, just click on here. Then again you can see this is just domain. They are ranked on Google first, and their DA means domain authority only 6, and page authority are 13, and backlinks 1 and 2k Facebook share. So this is a really good domain. So this is a method you can keyword research for your blog or article, your website, using mangools. So if you want to more video to type up, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you have like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.